Hello friends, today I'm going to review this Glimmer Flaky top coat. It is also having some glitter in it, and this is one of the most inexpensive flaky top coats that you can find in India, which is of a good quality. You can see how gorgeous it looks. So now let's get into the video. This polish which I'm going to review is from the Reliance Glimmer collection, and you can see it is a light bluish kind of polish. It has medium sized flaky particles and some glitter particles as well. Its number is 193L blue, and you can just look how beautiful it is. There are glitter bits, there are flaky particles, and it is like a top coat. So this is the first layer that I am applying on my nails. You can see those fine glitter particles, and this is the second layer. This is actually a top coat, so it will not give a very good coverage when you apply it in this manner. So I am using a sponge to apply it again on my nails so that I get a denser layer on my nails. If you use this as a nail polish, then it will give a very chunky appearance, as you can see, because this is meant to be a top coat. So the best way to use this polish is applying it over some nail polish. Like here I am using this light lilac color, and you can see those tiny particles look so pretty, and you can add some flakes on top of it from the bottle directly. This is the first layer, and then after applying 2 to 3 layers, it looks really good. And now I am applying it on a deep green polish. You can see those chunky flaky particles coming on my nails, and you can adjust them using the polish brush in the areas that you want the flakes to be. You can easily adjust the flakes on the nail where you want them to be, and this is how it looks. And then I'm using it over a metallic polish, which I didn't like too much because the metallic polish already has a luster and the flakes are not quite visible over it. So this is how it looks over a light lilac polish. I like its effect over a deeper polish. As you can see, it just makes the nail polish so much gorgeous, and over metallic it does not actually do much because the metallic polish is already quite bright and shiny. So this is how the top coat looks when applied on direct nails or on deeper or lighter polishes. And I hope you like this review, and I really like this polish. So if you are looking for some easy nail art, then the simplest thing that you can do is apply a layer of this polish on any nail polish color. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.